In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct lens distortion in Lightroom Classic. This is an essential skill for photographers who want to ensure their images are as true to life as possible, particularly if you're working with architectural shots or capturing landscapes where straight lines and accurate proportions are key. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening Lightroom Classic on your computer and navigate to the Develop module. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to refining and enhancing your photos. You can find the Develop module right at the top, along the same line as Library, Map, and other modules, which might already be familiar to some of you. Clicking on Develop is your gateway to a myriad of editing tools, and it's where we'll focus our efforts today. Once you're in the Develop module, take a look at the right sidebar where all your editing panels are located. There, you'll see various options like Basic, Tone Curve, and HSL Color, to name a few. Scroll down through these panels until you find the Lens Corrections panel. Lens corrections are particularly useful for addressing issues that may arise when your camera lens captures the photo, such as distortion, chromatic aberration, and vignetting. Expand the Lens Corrections panel by clicking on the little arrow beside its title if it's not already open. This will reveal two tabs, Profile and Manual. Today, we're focusing on the Profile tab, which allows Lightroom to make automatic corrections that are lens-specific. Look for an option labeled Enable Profile Corrections in this Profile tab and check the box next to it. By doing this, you are instructing Lightroom to automatically apply corrections based on the lens you use to take your photo. Lightroom has an extensive database of lens profiles, and it uses this information to address common issues such as distortion, which can make straight lines appear curved, and vignetting, where the corners of your photo might look a bit darker than the center. Once you check Enable Profile Corrections, you should notice an immediate difference in your photo. The image might straighten slightly, or the edges might lighten up, depending on the unique signature of your lens. It's a subtle change, but one that can significantly enhance the overall appearance and accuracy of your image. For those of you who are more detail-oriented or working with a lens that Lightroom's library doesn't recognize, there are manual adjustments available. But for most scenarios, simply enabling profile corrections does a brilliant job. So, there you have it. Correcting lens distortion in Lightroom Classic is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in the clarity and precision of your photos. With just a few clicks, you'll ensure your images are free from unwanted distortions, bringing them closer to your original creative intention. Remember, practice makes perfect, so give it a try with different images to see how your corrections improve each shot. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!